I'm ready to spend some money.
Hey, take them all. Give you a good price.
What would you take for all of them? Everything you got.
Wow. Bags and all?
Sure. This is probably $100 putter. There's so much money. Natalie, I'm so sorry. Definitely the best flea market deal we've gotten in a long time. So it's Saturday morning, about 7:10 a.m. We're on the way to the flea market, but today's a little bit different because we're actually meeting my parents there. They've been watching enough of our YouTube videos lately that they wanted to come check out the flea market for themselves.
How you doing?
Hello, good morning. How are y'all?
Good.
Thanks so much. You too. What is going on, you guys? My name is Josh, also known as Hairytornado, and that is my beautiful wife, Hairytornado. As you can see, she's got her GoPro down there. Yeah, turn it up a little bit more so you get a better.
I want to cover it.
I know, she's so nervous. We also, not only did we remember Haley's GoPro, but we also remember the Snag and Wagon. It's kind of cold today, and there was like a 75% chance of rain, so I don't know, you know, what types of vendors are going to be out here today, but it should be a fun time.
You said in one of your videos, you can't base it off what you see or whatever you see.
Yeah, you can't judge a book by its covers. Some of the worst garage sales we've ever seen on paper end up being the best, and hopefully that same thing holds true with the flea market. Let's get it.
How y'all doing today?
Good, how are you? We usually come back down this row at the end for people that haven't uncovered their boobs yet. Hey, what's up, man? Is that a different Titleist bag than the one you had the other day?
Yeah, that one had embroidery on it.
Oh yeah, that's right. This one doesn't?
It's a kind of rough shape to sell online though.
Yeah.
Might be more for someone that just wants the name brand to play with it.
Yeah.
The worst part's the bottom. So if you were selling online, it's a... Oh, the other side, my bad. It's got a big rip right there. So that might
Oh
be
yeah. Just like the front leather coming off. Yeah, it's definitely
Yeah, this one's someone that wants to use
Yeah.
it, you know.
not bad for a bin spine,
Yep,
right?
yep,
There you go.
you're right,
There you go.
There's a guy on the back over here's got some nice clubs, man.
Nice ones.
I got a Taylormade driver from him for like $30 this morning.
Huh.
Yeah.
Oh, this
He's got
morning.
some cool stuff. He's got some Callaways. There's a ton of stuff over there, man. You
Yeah.
see him, though. He's on that back row.
Okay, we'll check them out. What you want on the Care Bear?
There's $1 on it.
$1? Okay.
I saw this one. $30. I figured that wasn't a bad
30?
deal. Yeah.
Wow.
It's more like a $100 driver, so.
All right, we gotta head over there.
He's got a lot
Yeah.
of good stuff. A lot of good drivers.
It's on the last row?
Yeah, he's got an Odyssey putter.
Yeah.
You know, he's asking about 30, 35 on him, but there's some good stuff.
Yeah, there might be some money left.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks, man.
I don't know what size they are.
So it's 8. That'll work. What you asking for them?
$3.
I'll give you $3 for them. Thank you, sir. We appreciate you.
I guess you don't need a bag.
Yeah, we'll pull it around. Easier than carrying bags.
Container. Christmas container.
How much would you take for your pedometer? $1. Yeah. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
We got a big one right here.
This is all I need.
Big one right here.
I can't live an inflated lifestyle. Enjoy what you already have. Oh wait, did I buy this from you?
I think we did.
All right, I need a replacement then.
I never officially introduced them, but shout out my mom and my stepdad.
I got the alignment's off. It pulls to the left. A cooler. Yeti, how much? $20.
We got different kinds.
Different kinds.
Yeah.
Bag and a backpack.
Yeah.
See, a lot of this stuff would be good for Christmas presents because they're brand new.
You can do Christmas present for next year, you know?
Next
Yeah.
year, yeah.
Yeah.
Cast, like this 3-piece Bayou Classic cast iron set. It's not bad. Huh.
No, backpack.
Wow.
Those are new ones.
They are new.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
This backpack is brand new too. She like that. She like it.
How much?
How much is that?
Okay,
This is.
I know they're expensive.
This is 225 and this is 225. Both
225, 225.
the best price we can do is $25.
I understand.
This this is $300. This is $300 and stuff.
Yeah, yeah. That's,
But,
I mean, it's a good
you know,
price.
I ain't trying to be rich. I just trying to make a couple dollars too.
Hey, that's what we're all doing for sure. If I need one, I know where to come.
Thank you.
Thank y'all. Canon Powershot SX300. How much for the camera?
Not there.
Yeah.
Needs a battery pack.
Yeah. And those are
Lost the battery
expensive.
pack on it. I can't get it to come on without.
Yeah. I could give you like $10 for it.
That'll work.
Okay.
I'm good with that.
How much is your crybaby thing up here? That's a guitar
I think it's
pedal
brand new.
thing.
I think everything plays.
I don't know about brand new, but
I've had it about 5 or 6 months now, a year maybe.
yeah. Plugs, missing some sort of AC adapter for the power.
$10.
Yeah, I'll give you 20 for both.
All right.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's not too busy out here because see, all these tables are empty.
Since we haven't really found much, and we're almost to the end of the flea market, this guy down here is the one that has the golf clubs that Zoe was telling us about. So I might see if we can make a big deal on all the clubs he has left. All right, let's make a deal here.
Look at that Odyssey. That's a nice one. Look at that.
Yeah.
Really good condition.
Very nice. How you doing, sir? I'm ready to spend some money.
Hey, take them all. Give you a good price.
What would you take for all of them? Everything you got.
Wow. Bags and all.
Sure. So you don't. I don't want to take all your clubs and leave you with a bunch of bags.
There you go.
We brought the SUV.
It's about to warm up. Yeah. About 300.
With the bags.
Yeah. Worst case scenario, we redonate the bags to Goodwill or something.
Junior Golf Association.
Junior Golf Association. That's right. The first tee.
Yeah.
First
Yeah.
tee. That price sounds good. I just want to make sure I know what I'm looking at here.
Couple clubs in there cost near that much.
Yeah. The Nike ones are good. They don't make Nike doesn't make golf clubs anymore.
Is it not?
Mm-mm.
I was basically a Cleveland man in Callaway.
Yeah. I gotta see what that putter is. Anything with a head cover is good.
Yeah, that putter there, I think it's
an Odyssey?
200.
Yeah, that's a nice one. I think I used to have that one.
Yeah, I think you did.
I've seen enough. I'll give you $300. I might need to make 2 wagon trips though.
Hey, no problem.
All right, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you.
What you got in here?
That's a complete set of hybrids.
Huh.
The 3 pitching wedge.
3 through pitch and wedge?
Yeah, I had to quit playing. My back went out on me.
I don't know if I got enough money to buy the whole set from you.
Tell you what, I'll take $60 for the whole
Wait, warbirds. I think I got $60. I love golf clubs. It's the one thing, you never know what you're going to find at the flea market.
Yeah,
And golf clubs are one.
Putter in there.
Okay. 20, 60 more bucks for you. So what started as a pretty mediocre day at the flea market, and the Care Bear, the Enron pedometer, which I don't even know if is worth anything, shoes, the guitar pedal without the power cord, and this random camera that I have no idea what's worth, was literally saved by the very last booth at the flea market. 360 bucks for those clubs. I bet we could get 360 just for that set that I bought at the end, the hybrids that he sold me for 60. Probably make all our money back just on that set.
Yeah.
And everything else is pure profit, I think. I could just be wrong. I could just have adrenaline right now. Who knows? All right, there's a trash can right here. So let's try to tear this box up, put it in the trash can. Rest in peace, Bailey's jack-o'-lantern that she made for the trunk or treat.
these bags, stand-up bags.
Yeah.
I think there's 3 of them.
Yeah, we definitely appreciate the deal.
Oh, thank you. I'm glad to get rid of them, but I hate to see them go.
I understand.
Hey,
Do you still play golf?
No, I had to quit.
Yeah.
Back.
Yeah,
75 years old. I played till I was 73.
I think that's about when my granddad quit too. He hurt his knee. He fell and broke his kneecap or something. Ever since then, he's just been couldn't play.
Y'all have a great day.
Thank you so
okay?
much. We
Bye-bye.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
What was your name?
Harold.
Harold. Was great to meet you. We appreciate the deal.
I'm the only one in the phone book.
There you go.
Thank you,
Yes, sir. Have a good one. So as you guys can see, we have all of the golf clubs pulled out in the driveway, and what we're trying to do is go through things and see what's worth listing. And there's a couple clubs that are, $5, $10 a piece, and that's just not really worth our time, honestly. So we got a bag over there, the gray one that has fallen down multiple times. That is just a bag of clubs that we're going to redonate, but everything else we're going to keep, get cleaned, and get listed, and hopefully sold on eBay, make a ton of profit. This one bag right here, these Callaway Big Bertha Warbirds are really common. You can find these all the time. They're pretty much going to sell for 20, 25 bucks a piece plus shipping. These Adams Tight Lies woods are pretty good. Again, maybe like 15, 20 bucks or so on those. This looks like a set that people kind of threw together. There's a couple of these Callaway Big Bertha irons in here. We've got a 5, a 9, 8, 4, and a sand wedge. So unfortunately, it's not a complete set, but we should be able to get about 20, 25 bucks a piece for these plus shipping.
After I looked up comps on those Callaway irons, they turned out to be much better than I thought. I think we can get about $30 to $40 for each one, and we will list them individually since we don't have a complete set.
We got this nice Callaway Hawkeye driver. We've got this Dunlop hybrid. The bag itself is probably 50 bucks or so on Facebook Marketplace. This one's Cleveland 6-iron here, Cleveland launcher. That's going to be about a $20 to $25 club on its own. Moving on to this one. This is a complete set of Adams Idea A505 or A50S. I don't even know. I hate it when they do like a 5 and an S. How are you supposed to know what that is? Anyway, these are a hybrid set. Light Flex. Honestly, I know a lot about golf clubs, and I don't really know what Light Flex means. I think it's it's definitely like a regular, or maybe like a senior flex or something, but these are in good shape as long as we get them cleaned up. It's a complete set pitching wedge through 4-iron. Probably get about 120 to 150 bucks for this set right here. This bag is garbage. It's literally like falling apart. So that'll be tossed in the dump, but set of irons about 150 bucks. This is a good bag here. Got a Cleveland Highbore XLS driver. It's got some chips in it, but it's an old driver. It'll still sell for probably 50 bucks on its own. We have 4 Nike Sasquatch clubs. Driver can probably sell for maybe like 50 to 60, and another 40 bucks maybe plus shipping on the 3-wood and the 5-wood, and this 2 hybrid probably another 40 bucks or so. So just in this, we have the Cleveland Launcher DST 3-wood, another Adams Idea. That's a 3-iron. Is that supposed to go? Oh yeah, this goes with this set here. So that just added another $20 or $30 in value to that set. Got a Taylormade Burner 2.0 3-wood. Got this Easy Roll putter, which is not really worth anything. We'll hold on to it though. Just in this set, in the bag itself, King Cobra stand bag. Needs a little bit of cleaning, but that's in pretty solid shape. And we took a lot of the head covers off as well. We put them down there just so you guys can see, but generally if you have the head cover to go with a club, it's gonna be worth a little bit more money. This bag's okay. We've got this Cleveland Big Bertha 3-wood. This is probably a $50 club here. We've got these clubs, these Select 5000. Never seen these before, but a lot of these hybrid irons can sell well even if they're like lower brands. So as long as we have a complete set of these, that should be, I don't know, 60 or 70 bucks for the whole set. Have this really nice putter here. This is a Odyssey White Hot Taran XG putter. This is probably a $100 putter. It's actually still got the barcode on it. It doesn't have a price, but this looks to be barely used pretty much. So I think we can probably get $100 or more, maybe like $120 for this one. This is a really nice putter, and it has the head cover down there. Sorry if I'm rambling. Go ahead and hit the like button, and I'll try to speed it up for you guys. This pile right here, this is a Fast Tracks hybrid. I don't really know. These just, I think they're going to be worth listing, maybe like 10 bucks, 10, 15 bucks a piece. So we've got a Night Evader Cinemeadow something 5 hybrid, a little Yamaha sand wedge driving iron, Night driving iron. It's a 1-iron. Sometimes these can sell pretty well, maybe like 20 bucks on that one. Was this Adams type? Yeah, a little Super Concord knockoff of the Adams Tight Lies, another 20 bucks or so right there. This bag, we've got an STX putter. This is maybe like a $30 putter. I think we have a whole set of these Mitsushiba clubs, a driver, 5-wood, 3-wood, and a whole set of irons. And I think there might be a whole set of these older Taylormade 320 burner irons in here as well. So I'd say in this bag, and we've got a nice Cleveland launcher driver over here. Little Wedgwood. There's so much money. Natalie, I'm so sorry. Got a whole set over here of these Acuity clubs. Not great. I mean, you could probably, this is kind of like a Dick's Sporting Goods special, like the whole set for maybe 200 bucks. But I've got 2 putters in here. This one is an Odyssey 2-ball. It's weirdly modified. It's got this weird thing on it. I've never seen this before, and it's got some Sharpie lines on the other side. But some people still use these. I don't know. I can still get 20 to 25 bucks for it. If it was in better condition, it would have been a $40 or $50 club for sure. But this putter, which I saw, we have a head cover for it right over here. This Odyssey Versa. This thing is mint condition. I mean, just absolutely, just I can't explain how nice it is. This is the Metal X 1 Mid Odyssey belly putter. You know, it's belly putters is that this big grip, and so you'd hold it like, you could hold it like this or like this. This is probably 130 to 150 bucks or so. The grip is kind of falling apart, so it would need a new grip, but we would just sell it as is. A lot of people that buy putters just want to put their own grip on them anyway. So if anytime you have a golf club you want to sell on eBay, I would just sell it as is. But I think we can easily get 120, 130 bucks plus shipping for this putter right here. The whole set, we'll probably throw in maybe this putter with the set and maybe get 100 bucks for the whole set of Acuities. And then I think the last pile is this one over here. This is the ones we bought after the big $300 deal, the ones he threw in for 60 bucks. So it's a set of regular flex Callaway Warbird irons. Pretty new. I don't know the exact age. I'd say these are like 5 to 8 years old, somewhere around there. We've got the, let's see, we got a pitching wedge, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and then we've got these 2, which I think are 3 and 4 hybrids. Yeah, 3 hybrid and a 4 hybrid. Again, these are regular flex, really great condition. I think we could probably get $200 to $250 plus shipping for this set. We'll get them cleaned up. They may take a little while to sell, but I think minimum 200 bucks plus shipping on this, just this set of irons right here. And again, this, I'll show you guys this bag just so you can see what clubs we're passing on. I get a lot of you guys that send us messages on Instagram like, hey, I found these clubs, are they worth anything? And just look at these types of clubs that we're passing on, and then if you see this quality of club, you know to pass on. Like this old driver, it's not really branded, it's in really rough shape. We've got Taylormade Burner. Taylormade's a good brand, but this is just really old. It might sell for like 15 bucks or so. King Cobra is a good brand if it's newer. This is a super old King Cobra. It's all peeling, so it's just not going to sell very well. A lot of these are just, like here's a Mizuno, which is a good brand, but again, it's just a little old. This Arrow, this is a Top Flight, which Top Flight's decent, but that's again really old. So just, you know, another Taylormade Burner right here. That's just a really old one, really small. So if you see stuff that's like gray and not shiny and looks old and small, I'd probably pass on it, because probably 9.9 times out of 10, it's just not going to be worth your time. So all this is going to get redonated, and everything else you guys see is going to get cleaned, photographed, listed, and flipped on eBay for probably, what do you think, like 800 bucks in profit? Got to make back the 360 bucks we spent. Then we got to account for eBay fees, shipping. Conservatively, looking at everything here, you can turn the camera and just let everybody take this in one more time. I think conservatively, we're looking at about 800 bucks in profit, if not closer to 1,000 here on this deal today. So that was definitely the best flea market deal we've gotten in a long time.
That was a very long 10 minutes of Josh talking about golf clubs. But if you liked it, you should like this video.
Definitely.
And then if you're not subscribed, you should subscribe.
Absolutely. We actually filmed the first time, and she was like, Josh, you were talking way too much. It was like 3.5 minutes, and I was just on the first bag. I was like, all right, let's redo it. But again, like Haley said, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.